This feels so weird. It's my only cube, bro. Serious. What? Nah, bro, I give up, bro. Never see you again, but I literally opened this. Well, just bought this, buddy. What's this guy? Better than this guy. Piece of crap. Piece of crap, you see him? It's kind of piece of crap right now. But now getting to the point. Is he speed? As he says he is. Oh. Yeah, I'm not scrambling him that much because when I actually see if it's fast. Because, you know what? It is fast. Okay. I thought for a second it was going to be too fast and I couldn't control it and then just messed up. The other cube was too slow and I still messed up. Look at this bottom layer. I like the green. So vibrant. Bro, dude. Turn it, bro. Turn it. Yo, Doug, bro. What's up, Doug? Bro, this thing turns crazy. Oh, nah, yo. This actually is pretty fast. You wanna compete? Bro, yeah, I compete. Yeah, I scramble for you. I don't want you cheating. Wait, what? Bro, I literally solved this regular Rubik's brand one last time. Like, what are you trying to say, bro? Yeah, you solved it after you failed when I wasn't in the room. Like, you could have taken out the pieces. Okay, sorry. But I go solve it right now. In front of your face. Let's go. Look, and this cube even has magnets. I don't even think this one did. This got magnets? See. No magnets. No magnets. Oh wait, no magnets. It's touching the blue part. Like, literally, I could put this up close to the camera. It does not mess with my camera. Does this one actually mess with your camera? Because sometimes magnets can mess with your camera. No, actually it doesn't mess with your camera. Oh wait, it might be the focus or the magnet itself. Anyway. I'm just scrambling this so randomly. Trying to scramble all the pieces everywhere. Shoot. Maybe that could be kind of trash oil. So I proved myself to my friend Doug. So he wants to compete. We gotta see if Doug can beat me. We're gonna do it. Doug, here's your cube. Actually, since you made fun of me, I'm actually gonna give you the. Hey, since you made fun of me, I'm gonna give you this regular Rubik's brand. Okay, Doug. We're gonna scramble it. Scrambled it with my powerful magic skills. Okay, Doug. I'm gonna solve it. Or maybe scramble it because you suck. Okay. Bruh. Doug. Doug, bro, what are you doing, bro? What did you do to my Rubik's brand? Bro, what did you do? Oh, no, I just solved it, bro. No, you didn't, bro. You messed up the pieces here. Bro, let me show you how you fix it. First of all, you need to, like, fix this pair. See, it looks green, but look, the edges are not in the right place. So you need to change them. Second of all, I don't even know what you did in the top layer that messed it up. See, you're supposed to do it normal. You did it correct, though. Luckily, because you suck. There. See, I'm better than you. I even got like a professional grade speed cube. The Rubik's Speed, I guess, whatever you want to call it. I'm just really fast. Just fast like that, man. Bro, no you're not, bro. You can't even do it one-handed properly. I'm trying, man. Let's see. I can scramble with one hand, but I can't solve with one hand because my hands are pretty flimsy. I don't know, maybe I can, but I need tutorials on that. Okay.
This way is kind of difficult.
You have learned that you need something. So as a no thank you, I'm gonna give you a Rubik's brand. Okay, this one. I'm gonna give you my old cube. Bro, are you serious, bro? Bro, what are you doing? Bro, why'd you take both of them? Dude, where are you going? Bro, no. Come back, bro. Come back. Come back, bro. Nah, yo. Okay, hello, welcome back. If you have watched all the way through, I have more cubes, though. These are just for prop right now. But, yeah. This is the first episode of a series I'm making right now. And it might be kind of cringe or weird from the start, but, I'll make sure to, make it different. I barely have any 3x3s, really. I have, like, 1, 2... I mean, probably more than the actual puzzles I have, actually, so... I might actually have, like, a lot of 3x3s. But, if you guys want to vote, you can vote what cubes will be featured in the next episode. Like, let's see. I have like a Pyraminx. Unless you don't want Pyraminx because, you know, it's kind of pointy, so it's kind of sharp. It might hurt someone. I'm joking, it's not going to hurt anyone. Unless you put it on a seat and go sit down, which has happened before. 4x4, 5x5, I have a 5x5. I only solved it once. And, okay guys, if you watched all the way through, basically, you guys can comment down which cubes are the next cubes I will be featuring. These two guys, okay, these guys too are gonna be in the next episode too, so. Yeah, also, like, I could try unboxing one day, something. If I do ever get my hands on a new cube, I will unbox it for this channel. But, so, yeah, I do have a video idea, but, I'm not gonna pursue it right now, because I actually want to do it after a sequel. We're gonna make a sequel to this video. So, we can do 4x4 or 5x5. So we can do those two against each other. Or, I have like a Chi cube. I guess this was called, and then like a carbon fiber version of it. Yeah. Unless you guys, yeah, just those two clash together, or we could do them all at once. Who knows? So you can vote for all of them, or just the two, whatever. Just vote, I guess. Just vote, whatever. I don't really care. Just vote something, I guess. You can even vote to feature this desk again. I don't know. But yeah. Just feature drawer openings. Yeah, whatever. So yeah. Bye. But before I say bye, bye. Okay, sorry about that. I'm actually gonna do this. So, this is my logo design. You see it? The logo. I'm using this keep too. Keeping Legion out.